Welcome, beautiful mamas, to Slow Down with Kirsten's 30-day prenatal yoga program. In today's practice, we will explore the theme of strength. Strength is not just about the physical power of your body, but also the resilience of your spirit. My mission is to help all 4 billion women build confidence in your true divine identity so you can build, lift, and serve those around you. Please like and subscribe to this channel and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. A friend, sister, mom, you name it. So when you're ready, hop into something comfy and let's get started. Let's begin in an easy seat. Find comfort in this grounding position. Close your eyes. Feel free to place your hands on your knees or your heart and take a few deep breaths. With each inhale, feel the strength of your body supporting you. And with each exhale, release any tension. In your seated position, extend your arms forward and cross one over the other, bringing your palms together in eagle arms. Bring your elbows up to shoulder height. This pose stretches the shoulders and upper back, cultivating strength in your posture and reminding you that even in stillness, there is power. Feel free to introduce any organic movement as you hold this pose. Exhale, release, and switch. Extend both arms forward and cross the opposite arm over the other. Bring your palms together in eagle arms. Feel the gentle stretch in your upper back and body. Feel free to move side to side in this pose to open up your back even more. Exhale, release this pose and come to prayer position at your back. For a gentle modification, you can also clasp both hands on opposite elbows. Extend both arms out to the side, and turning your palms, bring your hands behind your back into prayer position. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and continue to breathe. Exhale, release. Move into tabletop pose, bringing hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. We'll move into a gentle wrist stretch now as you turn your hands outward and then point fingers back behind you. Lean slightly forward and back to stretch and strengthen your wrists. This stretch prepares your arms and hands for the weight they carry, both physically and metaphorically. From tabletop, extend one leg back and lift the opposite arm, coming into a supported side plank. Engage your core and feel the strength radiating from your center, balancing on one arm and one leg. Exhale, release this pose and switch sides to maintain balance. Extending one leg back and lifting the opposite arm, coming again into a supported side plank. Exhale, release this pose and move into puppy pose by extending your arms forward and lowering your chest towards the mat while keeping your hips lifted. This pose strengthens the upper back and shoulders while opening the heart, symbolizing the balance between strength and vulnerability. Continue to breathe in this pose as you open up your upper back. Exhale, release this pose and begin to walk your hands back, keeping yourself in a kneeling position. Point your fingers towards the front of your mat and shine your chest forward, surrendering your neck back, coming into baby camel pose. This back bend opens the front body, building strength in the spine and heart. Transition now into Malasana pose. A deep squat with your feet wider than hip width apart and hands in prayer position at your heart. This pose strengthens the legs and hips, grounding you in your inner power and preparing you for labor ahead. Continue to breathe and release any tension with each inhale and each exhale. Try to make your exhalations longer than your inhales. This will help you prepare for labor and delivery. Exhale, release this pose, coming to staff bent knees. Move into half saddle by extending one leg forward and sitting back on the other. Gently lean back, feeling the stretch in your thigh, quads, and hip flexors. This pose builds strength in the quads and core while offering a deep release. Inhale, walk your hands back up and move into a figure 4 hip opener stretch. By bending your extended leg, bringing the sole of your foot to the mat. Bring your opposite ankle above that knee. Lean forward to deepen the stretch, strengthening the hips and glutes, and releasing tension that can build up during pregnancy. Exhale, release this pose and switch sides, coming to half saddle on the opposite side. Extend the opposite leg forward, sitting back on the other. Gently lean back, feeling the stretch in your thighs, hips, and quads again. Continue to breathe. Walk your hands back up and come to a seated position and cross the opposite ankle over the opposite knee for your figure 4 hip opener stretch. Again, release this tension in the hips and pelvis. Exhale, release this pose and begin to do windshield wipers with your knees, bringing knees from side to side. Move into our final resting pose, side lying Shavasana. Feel free to place one hand on your belly to connect with your baby. Support your head and neck with your arm or a cushion, and place a bolster or pillow in between your knees. This restful pose allows your body to absorb the strength you've cultivated throughout this practice, leaving you feeling empowered and at peace. When you're ready and keeping your eyes shut, come to an easy seated position. As you rise from Shavasana, take a moment to honor the strength within you. Remember, strength is not just physical, it is the resilience of your spirit and the depth of your love as you prepare for motherhood. Inhale, bring both hands up overhead. And exhale, bring your hands to third eye. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice today. My mission is to help you and all 4 billion women build confidence in your true divine identity so that you can build, lift, and serve those around you. If today's practice has resonated with you, please like and subscribe to this channel and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. A friend, sister, mom, you name it. I'm so excited to see you tomorrow. Namaste.